Imagine a world where mountains sparkle and the ground beneath your feet is made of precious stones. That's not science fiction. Astronomers believe planets like 55 Cancri could be rich in carbon, with intense pressure turning it into diamonds deep below the surface. These planets orbit so close to their stars that their daysides blaze with extreme heat, making them inhospitable to life, but potentially worth unimaginable fortunes. For now, they remain distant jewels in the universe, far beyond our reach, but close enough to remind us that nature's treasure chest is bigger than we ever imagined. Far beyond the Milky Way, something colossal is pulling entire galaxies toward it, including ours. It's called the Great Attractor, a mysterious region of space about 250 million light-years away. We can't see it directly because it's hidden behind the thick dust and stars of our own galaxy. Scientists suspect it might be a dense cluster of matter, maybe even dark matter, but no one knows for sure. Whatever it is, it's moving us at 600 kilometers per second toward an unseen cosmic destination. In 2017, astronomers spotted something entering our solar system from another star, the first confirmed interstellar object ever detected. Named Oumuamua, it wasn't shaped like a typical asteroid or comet. It was long, thin, and moved in a way we couldn't fully explain, speeding up slightly as it left. Some scientists think it's a fragment of a distant planet, while others have speculated it might be a piece of alien technology. Whatever it was, Oumuamua is now gone, and we may never know the truth. Stars are supposed to die in a spectacular supernova, their cores collapsing into black holes or neutron stars. But sometimes a star survives its own death. Astronomers call these survivors zombie stars, white dwarfs that somehow withstand the explosion and continue to shine. How they manage to cheat cosmic death is still a mystery, but their existence proves that even in the most violent events in the universe, some stars refuse to go quietly. When scientists mapped the movement of galaxies, they noticed something strange. Huge clusters were drifting in the same direction, toward a region we can't see. This unexplained motion is called dark flow. Some theories suggest it's caused by the gravitational pull of something outside the observable universe. Maybe another universe entirely. For now, it's one of astronomy's most unsettling mysteries. The idea that something beyond our cosmic horizon is tugging at us. In the vastness of space, you'd expect nothing to be colder than empty vacuum. But there's one place that's even chillier, the Boomerang Nebula. At 272 degrees, it's just 1 degree above absolute zero. This frigid temperature comes from gas streaming out of a dying star, expanding so quickly that it cools beyond the background temperature of space itself. It's the ultimate cosmic freezer. Galaxies aren't peaceful star islands, they're predators. Larger galaxies often consume smaller ones in a process called galactic cannibalism. The Milky Way itself has feasted on many dwarf galaxies over billions of years, leaving behind faint streams of stars as cosmic leftovers. And our galaxy's next big meal is already on the menu, the Andromeda Galaxy, set to collide with us in about 4 billion years. In 2014, scientists detected something unexpected above the North Pole, a swirling vortex in Earth's upper atmosphere, shaped like a hurricane but made entirely of plasma. These space hurricanes rain electrons instead of water and can last for hours, affecting satellite communications and GPS signals. They're a reminder that storms don't just happen on Earth. They rage above us too, high above our heads in the darkness of space. There are clouds you can't see, and most people don't even know they exist. They're called the Kordylewski clouds, two massive dust formations orbiting Earth at the same distance as the Moon, first spotted in the 1960s by Polish astronomer Kazimierz Kordylewski. They sit at what's known as Lagrange points, gravitational sweet spots, where the pull of Earth and the Moon balance perfectly. These clouds are faint, ghostly, and almost impossible to detect without sensitive instruments, which is why for decades scientists debated whether they were even real. But in 2018, new observations confirmed their existence. They're like invisible companions, silently traveling with us through space. A reminder that even in our own cosmic backyard, there are still secrets hiding in the shadows. In 1977, a radio telescope picked up a powerful 72-second signal from deep space. Astronomer Jerry Amon circled the reading on the printout and wrote, "Wow, giving the signal its name. No natural or man-made source has ever been confirmed, and it's never been detected again. Was it a cosmic coincidence or a hello from another civilization? We may never know. Not all planets orbit stars. Some drift alone through the galaxy, cold, dark, and endlessly wandering. These rogue planets may outnumber the stars themselves, possibly by billions. Some might have moons with subsurface oceans, making them potential homes for life, even without a sun to warm them. Earth has one moon, but it also has temporary cosmic companions, called quasi-satellites. These small asteroids orbit the sun in sync with Earth, creating the illusion that they're following us. They're harmless, but they're like quiet shadows tagging along on our yearly journey. Uranus's moon Miranda looks like it was shattered and glued back together. It has giant cliffs, including Verona Rupees, which plunges 20 kilometers, twice the height of Mount Everest. Its fractured surface tells a story of violent geological events, though how such a small moon could have so much activity remains a puzzle. When scientists mapped the oldest light in the universe, the cosmic microwave background, they found a strange cold patch. It's much larger and colder than expected, and some researchers think it could be evidence of a massive void in space, or even the scar of another universe colliding with ours. In the height of the space race, the U.S. worked on Project Orion, a plan to propel spacecraft using actual nuclear bombs, detonated behind it. The idea could have sent humans to Saturn in just a few years, but the dangers and the nuclear test ban treaty killed the project before it ever left the ground. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, has lakes, rivers, and seas, but they're filled with liquid methane and ethane. Its thick atmosphere and hydrocarbon cycle mimic Earth's water cycle, making Titan one of the most Earth-like places in the solar system, even if it smells like gasoline. Astronomers were baffled when they found NGTS-1b, a huge, hot Jupiter, orbiting a tiny red dwarf star. According to our models, such a massive planet shouldn't be able to form around such a small star. And yet there it is, defying the rules. Scattered across the moon's surface are strange, bright patterns, twisting, swirling shapes that look almost like someone painted them by hand. These are known as lunar swirls, and scientists still don't fully understand them. They're not hills or craters, but flat areas with unusual brightness, often stretching for hundreds of kilometers. What's even stranger is that these swirls are linked to powerful, localized magnetic fields, even though the moon has no global magnetic field anymore. Some scientists think they might be ancient marks left by comet impacts, while others believe they are the result of magnetic shields protecting parts of the moon from darkening under the solar wind. Whatever their origin, these swirls are a reminder that the moon is far from a lifeless, boring rock. It still hides secrets written on its very surface. In 2007, a Dutch schoolteacher named Hanni van Arkel spotted something strange in telescope images, a giant, glowing green cloud of gas. Dubbed Hanni's voorwerp, it's likely lit up by the ghost of a dead quasar. It's a rare reminder that even amateurs can still make groundbreaking discoveries. Our sun isn't fixed in space, it orbits the Milky Way. One full lap takes about 225 million years, a period known as a galactic year. The last time our solar system was in this position, dinosaurs were just beginning to roam Earth.